Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new to my channel, my name is Isabel and I love talking about handbags, shoes, luxury, fashion, and just about everything and anything that can make a woman younger than 50 or older than 50 super excited. So if this is something that you may be interested in, I would love for you to go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, hit the bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thanks for being back, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That being said, let's get right into it. Today's video is an unboxing and a reveal. The first thing I want to share with you is from Louis Vuitton, and I did pick it up, when was this? Last weekend. So I've had this for 1 week and have not been able to share with you. And I'm so excited. If you have been watching me for a while, you will not be surprised that I picked these up because I have a little bit of an obsession with these. They are small items, and let's just go ahead and dive right in. Tomorrow will be Monday, so we'll have to do what we have to do. I will tell you, I just wish that it was fall in South Florida, but it is so hot. I am trying to give you a fall look here, and I love it, but it's very hot. All right, enough talk. We've got some tissue paper here and the Louis Vuitton dust bag. Get this out of the way. Here we go. Any guesses? And I'm not sure which one this is. And oh, it's the Louis Vuitton, the mini pochette from the Christmas animation. And this is the monogram print, and it's got Vivienne in a Japanese garden. I, of course, again, if you know me, you know it. I saw this rose ballerine and I was done. This one has, again, the gold chain, made in France. And there's the beautiful zipper. Let's check out the interior. And again, this is why I had to have her. Look at that. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous pink. And I am going to apologize for the lighting in advance. Oh, so beautiful. And this is the information. It's the M45905. And the, again, coated fabric with cowhide leather. Look at the details. I love this. This is so, it's just beautiful. Beautifully, beautifully made. And if you do not love mini pochettes, I can give you a lot of reasons why you should. It is probably one of the most used accessory that I have. Again, this is the Christmas animation in the monogram print with Vivienne at a Japanese garden. Here is the second box from LV. Let's take the ribbon off. Tissue. Another small dust bag. And again, I live for these. I love these, and the Christmas animation I usually adore. I've been purchasing the Christmas animation for the past probably 5 years. I think the only year I did not purchase anything was last year. Because if it doesn't really speak to me, I won't buy it. But here we go. And this is the Mini Pochette Damier Azur with Vivienne in Hollywood. Look at that. Is that beautiful? Oh, I love it. With the hot pink, made in France, gold hardware. And look at the details on this one. There is the beautiful bear in the pink convertible, and Vivienne right there. So, so pretty. The back, of course, just the Damier Azur. And let's open this one up. And the interior is the gorgeous hot pink. And here is the number in case you want to try and get it. This is the second LV purchase I made. Gorgeous. And so excited to add this to my mini pochette collection. I wanted to let you know that I did check on my receipt and I did pay $520 for each of the mini pochettes. I think they're showing up on the website at $540, so probably I had put my order in before a price increase, but I did double check. In my opinion, the mini pochette is still worth the money. You could debate that in a video, but that's my opinion. Right. My next reveal is this right here, and I'm very, very excited. If you follow me on Instagram, I did unbox them on IG, so if you don't follow me, it would be great if you did, and I'll put my handle here. But this is the item, and it did come with all the beautiful wrappings. I purchased this through a sales associate at Brickell City Center, and I was referred to him from Erin Nicole TV, which I'm sure a lot of you follow. I absolutely love her. And inside we have this right here, and they are a pair of sunglasses, and I'm super excited. I think these are my first Chanel sunglasses. I'm trying to think, but yeah, actually they are. So they come with this, a very large booklet, and this here has the cleaning cloth. I'm not that impressed with this, but it does have the cleaning cloth. Here is the case, all black, and there is the CC right there. It is a soft case, and the back has the gorgeous, gorgeous quilting. Look at this, so, so pretty. All right, and now let's get into the sunglasses. Velvet up here, it says Chanel, and inside, peeking through, and here they are. All right, let me just show you. Let me take off the plastic, because I've not worn them at all. These are called the Chanel Shield sunglasses, and this is what they look like from the front. This is the top of these sunglasses, Bling City. And then this is the beautiful CC on the side. And then they're just all black. And let me just put them on and look at this. Bam. I'm so excited. They're probably a little big, but that's okay. Love them. Love them. You're welcome to leave me your comments below. I'm super excited with them. Check this out. Oh, yes. You know, I live in South Florida, so this is a must. I drive an hour to and from work, so I definitely wear these in the morning, every single morning. I wear sunglasses, I should say, every morning, and if I'm lucky to get out of work before it's evening, then I actually would wear them also. But check this out. So excited. These were $865 plus tax, to give you a good idea there. And again, look at that, just so pretty. I love them. Again, Erin Nicole unboxed them on her channel, and I was like, ooh, I need these. So here they are. All right, my friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Leave me any questions or comments down below, and I will see you soon. Take care and enjoy the cool weather if you're somewhere where it is less than 85 degrees. Bye.